Ukraine, a country steeped in history and resilience, has faced immense challenges recently. After the war, Ukraine holds many mysteries. Join us as we uncover these secrets.
After the conflict, Kyiv stands as a testament to Ukrainian resilience. Essential infrastructure has been rebuilt, showing the determination of a people unwilling to let destruction define them. Markets bustle, laughter rings out from cafes, and the streets pulse with life.
Across Ukraine, a poignant transformation has taken hold. Local artists channel the nation's grief and hope, transforming war-damaged structures into powerful murals. These murals stand as testaments to the enduring human spirit, reminding us that even amidst chaos, the desire for beauty and unity perseveres. Venturing beyond recovering cities, a haunting silence descends. Villages, once teeming with life, now stand deserted. Yet, in these desolate landscapes, nature begins to reclaim its dominion. Stepping into these deserted villages is like stepping into a world where time has stood still. Homes, left hastily in the face of danger, remain frozen in time. These personal belongings speak volumes about the human cost of conflict. Beneath this war-torn land lies a secret network of tunnels, a testament to human ingenuity and survival. These dark passages, steeped in history, became lifelines during the conflict. The air here is thick with memories of fear and resilience, a reminder of the lengths people go to protect themselves. The labyrinthine network of tunnels beneath Ukraine speaks of recent struggles and echoes with conflicts past. Some passages date back to the Soviet era, silent witnesses to history. These tunnels, spanning generations, remind us of the cyclical nature of war and the human instinct to seek shelter. While reconstruction efforts progress and life slowly returns to normalcy, a chilling reality casts a shadow over Ukraine's recovery. Thousands remain missing. The chaos of war has left families torn apart, desperate for answers, clinging to fading hopes of reunion. Every day without news deepens the wounds of uncertainty, leaving families in heartbreaking limbo. Across Ukraine, dedicated organizations and volunteers work tirelessly, driven by compassion and shared humanity, to reunite families torn apart by conflict. The stories are a tapestry of hope and heartache, of joyous reunions and crushing uncertainty. The search for the missing reminds us of enduring human bonds that even war cannot sever. Beneath the surface of this recovering land lies an invisible enemy, a silent threat to those returning home. Thousands of unexploded bombs and shells lie dormant in the soil, ticking time bombs waiting to be triggered. Demining teams, with meticulous care and courage, comb through fields, forests, and villages, risking their lives to neutralize these deadly legacies of war. The work of the demining teams is not just about defusing bombs. It's about diffusing fear and planting seeds of hope. Farmers can now return, their hands no longer holding weapons, but tools of sustenance and growth. The land, once a battleground, is now a source of life and resilience.
The conflict forced millions of Ukrainians to flee, seeking refuge in neighboring countries, their lives upended, futures uncertain. Yet even in the face of such loss, the spirit of the Ukrainian people remains unbroken. Their determination to create a new normalcy is a testament to the indomitable human spirit.
Across Ukraine, communities have come together to embrace those returning home after displacement. The spirit of solidarity is a heartening reminder of shared humanity in adversity. This unity extends beyond borders, with global contributions to relief efforts.
As reconstruction continues and life returns to normalcy, echoes of war linger. Amidst the rubble, people unearth poignant reminders of conflict. These objects tell stories of interrupted lives, of courage, loss, and resilience. Each artifact unearthed tells a story, offering a window into lives lived through conflict. A child's doll in the rubble evokes innocence lost amidst chaos. These artifacts, heavy with history, remind us of war's human cost. The Black Sea, a vast expanse of water that borders Ukraine to the south, holds secrets beneath its waves, whispers of a tumultuous past. Submerged wrecks of ships, casualties of war, lie scattered on the seabed, silent sentinels of battles fought. The Black Sea, now an underwater museum, reveals stories of our past. The Black Sea, a strategic waterway for centuries, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires and the enduring human struggle for power. Its depths hold the wreckage of war and remnants of ancient civilizations and trade routes connecting east and west. These submerged wrecks add to the rich tapestry of history woven into the Black Sea's depths.
The conflict in Ukraine has reshaped geopolitical landscapes and accelerated advancements in drone warfare. Battlefields are now testing grounds for cutting-edge drone technologies. These lessons shape future warfare, influencing global military strategies. The development and deployment of advanced drone technologies in Ukraine have shrouded the conflict in secrecy. Rumors of clandestine projects, experimental weapons tested in war, their capabilities known to a select few. The conflict in Ukraine reminds us that future battlefields will be defined by advanced technology.
Across the Ukrainian landscape, hidden in plain sight, lie remnants of a clandestine past. Secret strongholds, cleverly camouflaged and fortified. Remnants of a time when the threat of conflict loomed large. These underground bunkers were designed to withstand devastating attacks, safe havens for officials and military leaders in nuclear war. These hidden fortresses now stand as relics of a bygone era, their secrets slowly being revealed as Ukraine transforms. While some of these strongholds have been discovered, their locations revealed by time and history, others remain shrouded in secrecy. Their coordinates, locked away in government archives, known only to a select few, remind us of the clandestine operations beneath everyday life. Whether they will ever be fully revealed remains to be seen, adding intrigue to Ukraine's enigmatic landscape. From the depths of despair and destruction, a vibrant art scene has emerged in Ukraine, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Local artists channel the collective grief, anger, and hope of a nation, creating powerful works that reflect the realities of war. Their art serves as a cathartic release, offering a glimmer of hope for a brighter future. Beyond the canvas and the sculptor's studio, the spirit of resilience reverberates through Ukraine's cities and towns. Cultural festivals, once silenced by war, have returned with vigor, their melodies a defiant act of hope and a celebration of life. Music fills the air, its rhythms a source of comfort and unity. In the aftermath of the conflict, a wave of compassion and support has washed over Ukraine. The power of global solidarity is evident. Countries worldwide have stepped forward to offer aid and assistance. This outpouring of support serves as a beacon of hope, reminding Ukrainians they are not alone in their struggle. The global response to the conflict in Ukraine has transcended geopolitical boundaries, forging new alliances. Supporting a nation in need has fostered a sense of international community, reminding us that despite our differences, we are united by our common humanity. The bonds forged in conflict can reshape international relations, paving the way for a more compassionate approach to global challenges. As the guns fall silent and the dust settles, the task of rebuilding begins. Peace talks take center stage, crucial to securing lasting peace. The path to peace is fraught with challenges. The scars of conflict run deep, and mistrust lingers like a shadow. Across Ukraine, from villages to bustling cities, a spirit of determination prevails as communities rebuild their lives and nation. Community-driven projects, fueled by a shared vision, are transforming the landscape, brick by brick. hope by hope, breathing new life into war-torn regions. The conflict has unearthed unexpected opportunities for Ukraine. War-torn landscapes revealed untapped resources, potential catalysts for economic growth. Sustainable development is crucial, ensuring benefits for all Ukrainians. Conflict has forged a new era of innovation in Ukraine, propelling the nation to the forefront of technological advancement. Ukrainian tech companies, once obscure, have emerged as global players, attracting international investment and recognition. This leap forward has positioned Ukraine as a hub for innovation, a testament to human ingenuity in adversity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Ukraine's resilience. We've explored the scars of conflict and the spirit of a people determined to rebuild. From the ashes of war, a new narrative of hope and resilience is being written. If you found this fascinating, please give a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing stories. See you next time.